Hello students, we are doing applications of derivatives. Now we are going to start next topic in application of derivatives, that is maxima and minima. We are going to start the topic local maxima and local minima by using first derivative test. Let us start with the question. Let us start with the question 1. Find the points of local maxima and minima of the function x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 8. लोकल मैक्सिमा और लोकल मिनिमा का पॉइंट निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले जो फंक्शन दिया है उसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे 6 into 2 plus 9. Then put this derivative equal to 0, taking 3 common. Now factorize it. We have to find the point from here. So x minus 3 minus x minus 3. So x minus 1, x minus 3. So we get the points as 1 and 3. Clear? Now draw these points on number line 1 and 3. To find the point of local maxima and local minima, we have to check the sign for f dash x. Let for the value 1. For value 1, function की value 1 के लिए 1 से less के लिए कोई भी number लेते हैं. Let the number is 0. माइनस इंफिनिटी टू माइनस 1 के बीच में हमने कोई नंबर लिया. लेट द नंबर इज 0. हमने इसमें इंटरवल्स फाइंड नहीं करने, जस्ट फॉर क्लैरिफिकेशन आई एम राइटिंग इट. सो साइन ऑफ f dash x let the number is 0 here. Put the value of 0 in f dash x. 0 minus 1 negative, 0 minus 3. So the function has sign f dash x is positive. Now between 1 to 3, let the number take as 2. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3, negative. Clear? Now from 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity, let the number as 4. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, positive. तो हमारे पास क्या आया? फॉर वैल्यू 1 के लिए फॉर x इज इक्वल्स टू 1, f dash x changes sign. f dash x changes sign from positive to negative. x 1 के लिए फंक्शन f dash x is changing sign from positive to negative. Therefore, x is equals to 1 is point of local maxima. Clear? And for x is equals to 3, f dash x changes sign from 3 के लिए negative to positive. Negative to positive. Therefore, x is equals to 3 is point of local minima. Is it clear? Point of local maxima और local minima निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव निकालो. Put this derivative equal to 0. यहाँ से हमें x की वैल्यूज मिलेंगी, पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. उन पॉइंट्स के लिए जो डेरिवेटिव है, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव f dash x, अगर चेंजेस साइन फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, इट मीन्स दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ लोकल मैक्सिमा. और अगर नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव साइन चेंज हो रहा है, देन दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ लोकल मिनिमा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन. Find all the points of local maxima and local minima as well as the corresponding local maximum and local minimum values for the function derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. Now x minus 1 whole square and x plus 1 is common. Here we are left with 2 into x minus 1, 3 into x plus 1. So x minus 1 square, x plus 1, 2x minus 2 plus 3x plus 3. So 5x plus 1. X minus 1 whole square, x plus 1. Now put f dash x is equals to 0. Then we get x minus 1, 1 and minus 1 upon 5. Clear? जब हम डेरिवेटिव को 0 के इक्वल रखेंगे x minus 1 whole square, x plus 1, 5x plus 1 equals to 0. From here we get x1, x plus 1 is equals to 0, so x is minus 1. 5x plus 1 is equals to 0, so x is minus 1 upon 5. Now we get the points. Points are minus 1, 1, 1 upon 5, 0.2, minus 0.2. Now, check for the signs. Minus infinity is minus 1. Let the number as minus 2. Whole square is positive. Minus 2 plus 1 negative. Minus 2. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 1. So positive here. Minus 1 to 0.2. Let the number as minus 0.7. Whole square is positive. Minus 0.7. 1 minus 0.7 is positive. Minus 0.7 into 5. 3.5. So negative here. Minus 1.5 to 1. Let the number is 0. Whole square is positive. 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 1. Positive. 1 to infinity. Let the number as 2. Whole square positive. 2 plus 1. And this is also positive. ये हमारे पास पॉइंट्स आ गए. Now write down. For x is equals to minus 1, f dash x changes sign from positive to negative. Therefore, x minus 1 is point of local maxima. For x is equals to minus 1 by 5, f dash x changes sign from negative to positive. Therefore, x minus 1 by 5 is point of local minima. And for x is equals to 1, function f dash x has positive sign. F dash x does not change sign. Positive है दोनों साइड पे. Therefore, x is equals to 1 is point of inflection. X is equals to 1 is point of inflection. Now we have to find local maximum and local minimum value. Write down local maximum value किस पे होगी? X local maximum point हमारे पास क्या है? X minus 1. So local maximum value is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 cube and into 0. So local maximum value is 0. Now local minimum value. Local minimum value at minus 1 by 5. Minus 5 minus 6 by 5 cube. 5 minus 1. 4 by 5 square. get this term minus 216 into 16 minus 3, 4, 5, 6 125 into 25 3125. So the local maximum value is 0 and the local minimum value is this. Find all the points of local maxima and local minima of the function x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Find the derivative first. 3x square 6 into 2 plus 12. F dash x equals to 0. Take 3 common. So x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. So x minus 2 whole square. So we get x as 2. Now we have point 2. 2 से लेस में हम कोई नंबर पुट करते हैं f dash x में. Let the number as 1. 1 minus 2 whole square is positive. 2 से बड़ा नंबर पुट करेंगे 3. 3 minus 2 1 square, that is also positive. For x is equals to 2, f dash x does not change sign. Therefore, x is equals to 2 is point of inflection. That is, x is equals to 2 is neither a point of local maxima nor a point of local minima. Find the local maxima and local minima if any of the function fx is this, 0 is less than x less than pi by 2 using the first derivative test. First find the derivative. Derivative of sine is cos, cos is sine. Now f dash x is equals to 0. So what we get? Cos of x is equals to sin x. 1 is sine upon cos, that is 10x. So we get x as pi by 4. And the interval given is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 के बीच में pi by 4 lies. Now we have to see that कि पाई बाय 4 जो पॉइंट है लोकल मैक्सिमा का है या लोकल मिनिमा का है. When x is less than pi by 4, let 30 degree. Put in f dash x. F dash x is cos x minus sin of x. Cos 30 minus sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Write down. When x is less than pi by 4, cos x is greater than sin x. It means cos x minus sin x is greater than 0. F dash x is greater than 0. Positive. Clear? Now, when x is greater than pi by 4 but less than pi by 2, 45 से एंगल बड़ा हो but pi by 2 से छोटा, then cos of x is less than sin x. Cos x minus sin x is less than 0, then the sign is negative. Write down. At x is equals to pi by 4, at x is equals to pi by 4, f dash x changes sign from positive to negative. Therefore, x is equals to pi by 4 is point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. Clear? Now the next one. Find the local maximum or local minimum if any of the function sin power 4 plus cos power 4 x lies between 0 to pi by 2 using the first derivative test. Find the derivative. 4 sin cube, derivative of sin is cos. 4 cos cube, derivative of cos is minus sin. 4 sin x, cos x common. Here we have left with sin square x minus cos square x. Take negative common from here. When we take negative common, cos square x minus sin square x, this is the formula for cos 2x. We can write this as 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. Now it is again of the form 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. 2 into 2, 4x. So sin 4x. Now put f dash x is equals to 0. Zero is less than x less than pi by 2. Multiply by 4. So 2 pi. So we write it as sin pi is also 0. So we get x as pi by 4. Lies between this value. When x is less than pi by 4, when x की वैल्यू हमारे पास pi by 4 से लेस है, it means 4x is less than pi, sin 4x, sin pi is 0. And minus sin 4x is less than 0. It means f dash x is less than 0. F dash x is negative. Pi by 4 से अगर हम स्मॉलर में देखेंगे, then sign is positive, but sign negative is less than 0. Therefore, f dash x is less than 0, that is negative. When हम वैल्यू pi by 4 से ग्रेटर में देखेंगे, when x is greater than pi by 4, pi तक तो हमारे पास जो वैल्यू है, that is sin की पॉजिटिव. After that, sin is negative and minus sin 4x is positive. Clear? At x is equals to pi by 4, from negative to positive. Therefore, x is equals to pi by 4 is point of local maxima. Negative to positive, therefore this is the point of local minima. अगर positive से negative हो, then local maxima. Negative to positive, therefore local minimum value क्या होगी? fx हमारे पास क्या था फंक्शन? sin 4x plus cos 4x. f of pi by 4, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2 power 4. So what we get? One by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now the next one. Find the points at which the function x minus 2 power 4 x plus 1 cube has local maxima, local minima and point of inflection. First find the derivative. 4x minus 2 cube plus x minus 2 4 3 x plus 1 square. X minus 2 cube x plus 1 square common. So 4 into x plus 1, 3 into x minus 2. 4x plus 4, 3x minus 6. 7x minus 2, x plus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole cube. Now put first derivative equals to 0. X minus 2 whole cube, x plus 1 whole square. So what we get? X as 2 minus 1 and x is 2 by 7. 2 minus 1, 2 by 7. Minus infinity, minus 1, 2 by 7. 0.2 approximately. Now we have to check the sign. Minus 1 say less. Let the number as minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 cube will be negative. Whole square will be positive. Minus 2, that is minus. So positive. Minus 1 to 0.2. Let the number as 0. 0 minus 2 cube. Square is positive. 0 minus 2. Minus minus positive. 0.2 to 2. Let the number as 1. 1 minus 2 cube. Square is positive. 7 minus 2. So negative here. 2 to infinity. Let the number as 3. 3 minus 2. 1 cube. Whole square is positive. 7 into 3, that is positive. Clear? Now write down. For x is equals to minus 1, f dash x does not change sign. Therefore, x minus 1 is point of inflection. For x is equals to 2 by 7, f dash x changes sign from positive to negative. Therefore, x is equals to 2 by 7 is point of local maxima For x is equals to 2, f dash x changes sign from negative to positive. Therefore, x is equals to 2 is point of local minima. X is equals to 2 is point of local minima. X is equals to 2/7 point of local maxima. And -1 is point